Hey everyone, it's John Score, CFI with AviationTutor.com, and today we're going to talk about Class G and E weather minimums explained. So Class G and E are where a lot of private pilot applicants lose confidence on the oral. And it's not because they don't know the numbers, it's because they don't have a system. So today I'm going to show you how to build one. And let me explain what's going on here. You'll notice on the top left, it says 5111. What does that mean? That means that if you're above 10,000 feet MSL in Class Echo airspace, your weather minimums are 5111. Consequently, we know that in Charlie and Delta, it's always going to be 3152. Now let me explain what's going on the bottom right-hand side. This is saying that if you are above 1,200 feet AGL, but less than, okay guys, this is what I want your piece of paper to look like. 10,000 feet MSL, if you're flying in Class Golf airspace, during the day, your weather minimums are going to be 1,152, and at night, it's going to be 3,152. So what happens if you're flying in Class Golf airspace below 1,200 feet AGL? Well then, your weather minimums are day 1, clear of clouds, and night 3,152. Thanks for watching. If you want structured private pilot oral prep and real Checkride level explanations, I work one-on-one with students preparing for their exam. Link is below.